Hi, we will study today Ohm's law. So, this law is given by the scientist Ohm, and this is a beautiful law which tells us about there is a relation between voltage and current. And voltage is equal to V is equal to IR, and unit is voltage is volt. Current is known as ampere, and R is the resistance. So basically, we understand it. Let's understand it by a one story. Suppose we have vehicle on road, and obviously there are also few more vehicle on the road. So when we normally move our vehicles, then these small vehicle comes in our journey. So speed of our vehicle got slow. So if we count that at the end of the road, or suppose there is some toll plaza is there, so at last a few number of vehicles comes. Why? Because there is obstacle on our road, and also we haven't increased our speed. Now if we increase our speed, then obviously few more number of vehicles come at our toll plaza, and if we reduce obstacle, then and again more number of vehicles comes. So same in our wire also, voltage is equal to current into resistance. Let's understand it by another example. In our house, we can see that a 10 watt bulb glow more, but while 100 watt glow less compared to 10 watt bulb. Why? Because we have increased the resistance, so current has been reduced. Now we can also see one numericals to clear more this fender. Again, this happens at constant temperature and pressure. That is, this law holds only if we have constant environment, then voltage is equal to current into resistance. Suppose if current is equal to 5 ampere and resistance is equal to 10 ohm, then what is voltage? So by Ohm's law, we can see that voltage is equal to current, which is 5, into resistance, which is 10, is equal to 50 volt. Okay, so this is it, the Ohm's law finally, which is V equal to IR. Thank you.